Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So welcome to day 13 of the Advent Calendar by Gabi Wolf. So yeah, we're halfway through now. So we're going into the second half of the Advent Calendar. And let's get started. I am going to use yellow, marigold yellow for the background for this one. And next I'm going to use Barum yellow Y3. And I'm going over again with this marigold for the sides. Yeah, so I'm going to color in the sock green and red. Let's do the top part of the sock first, and I'm going to use dark green. Red for the inside. I'm going to use Crimson Lake. So if this is your first time watching and you still want to join in, there's a link to this Advent Calendar by Gabi Wolf if you do not have her book already, and the link is on under the description in my day 1 Advent Calendar day 1 video. This is actually from her Christmas coloring book. So, but she has kindly given this as a free printable. And I'm going to use Tuscan Red. is poppy red. To blend in. I'm going to darken a bit more, press a bit more, Tuscan red. And spring green. Dark green. Yeah, there you have it for day 13. And I am going to go on and color this one. And this is the last picture for this page. And I'm going to color the bubble yellow orange sort of color. So I'm going to color in the cap here first. I'm going to use a pumpkin orange. So I'm trying to give it a bit of a gold effect. And I'm using goldenrod. Okay, so I have Tuscan red here. It has got a reflection of a little bit of a red around here. So I'm just going to give that like that. I'm sorry, yeah, canary yellow. Like that. And then I'm going to just give it a base for bubble first. This is just the base color. And this burnt ochre. So that I hope it gives a bit of this stained glass sort of effect. And I'm going to use sunburst yellow, which is getting a bit short. Blend in, give it a bit more shape. trying to give it a bit of a green and a bit just the reflection of random things around. And a bit of red, and it catches the light and then it bounces back. Yeah, oops. Never mind. So blend it back in. Okay, there we go. Day 13. So yeah, I've got this and this. So this page is done. I'm happy it's done, and I'll think about what to do for the background. I might just give a bit of a just glitter effect for the background, watercolor or something for the background. So thank you for watching, and till my next video, which is tomorrow, day 14, this one, mittens, the gloves. So till my next video, take care and happy coloring. Bye bye.